first we have detective question. I show fun travel stories and guides on flight. What am I? And a 5 second starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is In Flight magazine. So first we have spelling question. J mystery T jet B R I mystery E bridge. So can you solve it in just 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is J E T jet B R I D-G-E bridge. Jet bridge. So first we have detective question. I am a place where kids play and have fun at the airport. What am I? And your 5 seconds begins now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is kids play area. First we have detective question. I help you find the correct way in an airport with arrows. What am I? And you have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct. The answer is navigation signs. First, we have detective question. I am a quiet place to pray or meditate inside the airport. What am I? And a 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is prayer room. So first we have spelling question. R-U-W-A-Y runway. Oops, I just said the wrong spelling of runway. So can you please correct it for me in just 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. The correct spelling is R-U-N-W-A-Y runway. I am a desk where you can upgrade your seat to business class. What am I? And your 5 seconds starts now to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is upgrade desk.